Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World. And today we got an awesome lineup for you all today to help you get through not only the Monday grind, but the rest of your week. We got 3 top watch faces that are definitely going to be worth the download in the Game Manager store. And on top of that, they are free. So I hope you get your rest, because if you didn't, the Monday grind is going to be a rough one, people. And with that, let's go ahead, let's get started. Now, the name of the watch face we got in front of you today is called Bold Red Carbon 12 Hours. Now, it was free for the taking in the Game Manager store as we do this video. It is in question, so if I was you, I would go download right away. I don't know how long this watch face is going to be free, but definitely it has a nice look. Even in the always on mode, it's going to look exactly the same as if you had the watch face on, which I like. Now, once we look at this watch face, if you look at it up at the top, you get your battery percentage. I like the way the digital time looks in the back. Now you get a blending of both analog and digital, which in my opinion looks nice, looks stylish, looks definitely very unique. You get your step status info, and if you tap there, you can go into your step status and get more info. Same thing with your heart rate, and you can also go in and get your messages as well, send messages. And right here, it has my music, and I'm glad he loaded that one up because music is my favorite. Also, I like the way Sunday is laid out. It looks nice going in that direction, along with your month and your date, and you also get a PM stamp. Now, the index is all red. Now, they have one that is blue. I thought red looked a lot better to me, although blue is my favorite color. But this one here, definitely to be free, is an awesome look, people. I suggest you go download right away. Let's go on and check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is nice. It's the analog watch face, has a traditional look to it, and it offers just a little bit more of what people are looking for in watch faces nowadays. Now, the name of the watch face is called Step Circle. In the always on mode, you are going to get a good look. It's going to give you an analog look in AOD mode. But when the watch face is on, I like the basic look of this. Although it's simple, it does offer some features. Now, if I want to, I got at the top, I got the date. I got right here the battery percentage, my heart rate, got my steps down at the bottom, so you don't miss out on anything, people. And if you need to go into it, you can single tap and it'll take you into it to give more of the status that you're looking for. Same thing here, but check it out. Here, you're going to get your settings. So if you need to tweak your watch face or your watch at all, you can here. And on the date, if I go into that, I can get my calendar as you thought. And of course, your heart rate information. So although this is a simple basic watch face, it does offer a little bit more, which makes this worthy of a download, especially considering that this watch face is free. Make sure you download this one. Just put this one in the lineup for just in case. All right, you all, let's check out, last but not least, watch face number 3. Now, number 3 is nice, especially considering that it is free. You're going to get the best of both worlds in this one, analog and digital. Now, the name of the watch face is called Design Blue Plus. Now, what I like most of all about this watch face is the little man right here. I think every watch face that has that little man, so far as an icon for the steps, should be animated. It should not run that much battery life down. But listen, we're going to check it out anyway to find out. But what you're going to get out of this watch face in always on mode is a nice look. You're going to get analog/digital still info on your battery and your step status, things of that nature. But when the watch face is on, it does have a nice, unique look. I like this. Now, at the top, you're going to get battery info. You're going to get your heart rate. You're going to also get your day of the week. You're going to get your digital time right there in the middle. And you're also going to get your date. As we talked about before, you're going to get your step status, miles walked or ran down at the bottom. And it offers just a little bit more so far as shortcuts are concerned. So if I tap here, I can go into Bixby. Who uses Bixby? If I tap right here, I can go into my contacts. And if I tap right here, I can go into my music. Now, you have other places to tap as well, but you got to keep tapping until you get to it. It doesn't have a real locator as to let you know exactly where to tap at. But if I tap in the middle, I can set an alarm. So I'm liking what this watch face has to offer, especially considering that it is free. Something for me to flex in throughout the week instead of wearing the same old watch face every single day. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, people, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Continue to grind, people. Continue to grind. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.